Hey everyone, welcome back. In this Excel tutorial, we are going to learn about quick format in Excel. Now, quick formatting is also very basic and very widely used, so you must know quick format. And because this is beginner's tutorial, so I'm covering everything from basic and we'll progress through the advanced topics of Excel. Now, how you will quick format and what is the reason that you need to quickly format the text within your Excel sheet. Many times you would have noticed that you got some data from someone in your team, or you are getting some a report that is formatted in different ways. So for example, this text here, right? So all of these data or all of this data, the text within these cells is formatted in a different way. So there is some different font here. It's a different font and a different size. Now there might be need that when you share your report or share the data, you want to properly format the data within the report or the sheet in one particular format, or at least a type of data or a set of data to be formatted in a consistent way. That's where quick format comes really handy in Excel. So say for example, there is a format painter within Excel and I want to format every data that is there here with this particular detail. So one way is I go ahead and manually, keep changing. So I check the format of this particular text. So it is basically Calibri with 24 size, and I go ahead and change this manually from these drop down, which is not very good. Excel provides format painter, which we will simply select. So here, if in the left hand side, you will see that we have this format painter, right, icon. I can simply click that. So basically select the data or the cell for which you want to copy the format, right? So this one was selected. So I can simply select that and click on format painter, and you will see the icon has changed and there is a painter icon or the brush icon that appears. Now, if I want to paint the next cell with the same format, I simply go ahead and click it. And you will see sample text 2 is exactly the same format as sample text 1, right? So this is how the format painter works. It's a quick and easy way to format any text within your Excel sheet. The other way is you simply right click on the cell for which you want to copy the format, right? And there is a format painter here as well. So you can click the format painter and paste or click on the cell which you want to format in a similar way. So you will see that 1, 2 and 3 are now formatted in the same format. If you want to format all of these cells or multiple cells together without doing it again and again, you simply have to select the cell for which you want to copy the format and double click on the format painter. Okay, so right now I was doing single left click, but now let's say I double click. Now I can use this format painter in any number of cells as I want. So I can click here and you will see this brush icon still there, and I can use it in any number of cells as I want. Okay, so this is basically how you will use the format painter. Now, if I want to remove the format painter, I simply press the escape on my keyboard and you will see that has been deselected. If you want to, say for example, I want to, let me copy all of these, and say for example, I want all of these values here to be formatted at once. Okay, so I will simply say either right click and click on the format painter and then select all of these together. So just left click on one of the cell and drag and drop your mouse till the area where you want to select all of the text and leave it, right? So leave your left click and you will see all of these text have been formatted in the same format. So either you double click on the format painter to keep that selection there so that you can basically use it in multiple cells, or you simply right click, select the format painter, drag and drop to the area where you want to do that format painting and use the format painter to quickly format the text on your Excel sheet. So that's all about the format painter or how you will do quick formatting in Excel. I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching.